object, mapped, and set. So which one is the fastest of them all? Our scenario. We have functions that will generate an array of 100,000 items, and each item could be a rank or number between 1 and 10, between 0 and 10. We want to have a function that will get a unique value from our list. So first, we use an object to extract that unique value. So first, we have an empty object and an empty array. And we're going to loop through our list item. And for each item, we will check if it exists in our object. And if not, we get our unique value. For the second function, it is the same algorithm, but we use map instead of object. And how come on? Yeah, what is it? Why you calculate array length outside of a loop? Normally, it is shaped with array.length inside a loop. Because our list array has a fixed size, we don't have to calculate its length for each loop. I don't know how much we could sell nanoseconds, but at least we tried it. For the third function, we use set. In this case, we don't have to check if it exists in our object, because set by default only store unique value. And finally, our test functions. First, we get our list, and then we run our test function 100 times. And at the end, we calculate an average speed of each function and log it to our console. So what do you think? Which one is the fastest? I think net will be the fastest. The second place will be map, and the lower one will be an object. And in the object come first, I'll give you 5 bucks. And if not, you give me only 1 buck. Are you this sure? Yeah, bring it on, man. So let our test begin. Nhanh nó ngô mày để chơi unfair. Now mình nhắc để chơi hoàng nhân really quick. It is more like reading an array and pushing it to an array. Isn't it the point? Reading from the same array, and the speed difference is due to we add them to an object or map or set. No, if you want to do it midnight, I like give them a fair pie. You have to use everything in its own thriving environment. For example, you can a new map, you iterate through map, you have a map list or everything inside a map function. And for the set function, it do the same. And then we're having a fair and square file. You say no more, let them fight again. So for the test number 2, here we have a function to get an item of array, a function to get an items of maps, and finally a function to get items of set. For the set function, we store an item as an array, otherwise we will get only the unique value. So finally we will have an array, map, and list of 100,000 items. And again, each item can be a number between 0 and 10. And for our unique functions, for object, we loop through array and push it to array. For map, we loop through map and set it to mapped. And for the set functions, we loop through set and add it to a set function. And finally, for the speed type functions, it is a function that needs a list function as an argument and a unique function as an argument. First, we execute the day function to get a list of items, and then run the unique function 100 times and calculate the average speed of it. Yeah, Sean got to me. This time I'll give you 17 bucks if object comes first, and if not, I'll get back my 5 bucks. Why not 20 bucks? It is all I have left. Wow. So you go all in for map and set? Yeah, why not? So let's begin. What? What the? What? What the? Whoa, please stop. Why are you crying? Is it because you lost all your money? No, no, not even my money. What? What do you mean by it's not your money? No, the phone is under the table. You son of a... You son of a... Stop crying. And then why are you crying? And crying for what? It's not even your money. Please stop. Is it because maybe the slowest? No. My mouth just called me an idiot because I knew too much object Mobile Legends. He told me to use map instead. You don't understand. He called me idiot for what I do, like not even fair, unfair. I'm gonna show him the video and kick it out. You know what? Map is more secure than object, and for some scenario of frequently adding and frequently deleting, map is faster than object. And in this case, object is faster.